Hey there, my name is Yemendu and I'm here to talk to you about our meditation and breathing workshop. So this program is a single take program which lasts from 2 to 4 hours. And it's specially designed for work groups, for human groups that work towards a common goal. So in this workshop, we are going to experience and go through different meditation techniques that might suit to each one of your team members. Also, we're going to explore a lot of breathing techniques that can help them to remain calm, to remain in control of their emotional response, also very clear-minded, and ultimately to help them to find purpose and to connect all of that with how they act in the world and how they connect with each other. Also, we're going to be working on developing awareness on what's happening around us so they can be aware of who they are working with and how they are feeling. And also in developing and strengthening empathy, which is a key skill to connect with others and to ultimately get the collaboration that we want in our teams. So, if these sessions sound interesting to you, get in contact with us and let's talk about clarity, purpose, and feeling good.